Okay, I'm back again. I'm not going to be on this for very long. I've been working on the new idea for the drill press table, and that's to use the gears again. I still haven't got all the details worked out, but I've been working on it all morning. But in the meantime, I've been checking back on the videos to, read comments and whatnot. And I keep getting this persistent comment about using an eyelet or some, guide method to guide the rope as it goes onto the wheel so that it won't climb. And like I said in this video, not this video, but the video I posted yesterday on this channel, I already tried that before I dismantled the rope mechanism, and it didn't seem to be working. So what I've done is I've set up another more direct demonstration here so that you can see what happens even when you have the guides in place that stop the rope from where it enters and leaves the pulley from deviating from its course. Okay, the first thing I want to do is show you exactly where the guides are and what I use. These are just blocks of hardwood with notches cut into them that the rope will go through, and I pin nailed those in place to guide the rope to the edge of the spool on the bottom. So as you can see, it clearly doesn't work, even though the rope is guided to run a certain path at the entry point and the exit of the spool. It's still run up on the rim of the spool. And you saw there it slipped off, and it actually will work somewhat with one wrap, even though it is grating up against the rim or the edge of the spool. But I'm not convinced that one wrap holds the pulley tight enough to avoid slippage.